Give me the ball. That was a mistake. Where to?
Enough. Mr. Bangun. In over 10 long years. We will have to put an end to this.
Never an order of ours. Those men had no ties to my father's grave.
Sir, with all due respect, if you speak ill of him again, I swear to God...
Enough, Mr. Goto. My apologies. Well, it seems that decisions have been made by... I will do what's needed to prevent further bloodshed between us. If you gentlemen would excuse me, I must tend to my organization.
Calm down. So far, everything seemed...
What do you mean, can't? What have I not witnessed? Murder, extortion?
Hey, you think you're alone in this? This isn't your show, Rob. Your identity is safe.
I've been trying to reach you. Get your ass over to the office now and get Ucho the fuck out of here.
Everything I've built was for you. For what?
Dad! Listen to me. Please, Dad. What the fuck was that? Huh? Where's your self-end? And you want to know what? Can't just sit back and do nothing like you! Down junkies for bit change? That's not the...
Destroyed us. You've destroyed everything.
Everything that we've lost. I can fix this.
Yes, boss.
Forgive me.
understand. Yeah, I'll call you back.
I thought we'd secured his services. Why is he meeting Bedro?
Well! Seems they joined forces. After taking Bejo. That's serious now.
It seems everything is possible. He won't hesitate to come for us. Reza and the rest of those crooks too.
Wait.
Now.
Eka!
But whoever says it to you, I did this. You try to run. It goes right back. You put them down.
Eka, wait!